Today we're going to talk about headlights. Headlights!
Over time, the sun's UV rays will wear out the plastic that covers your headlight. It can make a great looking car dull and boring. It can reduce visibility by refracting the light that's coming out from the lamp. There are a bunch of aftermarket kits out there you can buy from your local auto parts store that will either sand or polish the lens again. The finished product can bring your lens from this to this. The only tool you're going to need is a power drill with a charged up battery. Each headlight restoration kit will come with some type of attachment for your drill. They will also come with chemicals, and this is where I like to stay away from it. Those chemicals could hurt your paint, even if they get on it just a little bit. So here's where some of my tips will come in handy for you. First, I don't use a sanding, I just use the polishing tip with some WD-40 to clean the lens first. Once nice and clean, I can go to something a little bit more abrasive, like this Griots compound. I like to use this rubbing and polishing compound because it is completely safe for your paint, and if you get anything oversprayed or if you mess up with the drill at all, it will not harm your paint unless you're going at it way too hard. You can tape off the whole entire section of the paint, but I like to use this time to clean up the area around the headlight as well. You can see just a few minutes time brings it from this to this. It almost looks like a brand new headlamp. Problem is, once the UV rays hit this again, it's just going to dull up over time. So what I like to do here is an extra step. Take a UV protectant clear coat and just lightly give it a misting spray over it and let it dry. Taping up the area here will help with overspray, but you remember, don't use this out in the sun. It'll actually bake the tape to the car. That would be terrible. Remember, too much UV coating will actually dull the lens again, depending on what clear coat you're using. There are hundreds of these videos out there. I just thought this one with a couple tips might help you to do this quick and easy without having to tape the whole entire thing off and go to a professional paint booth.